Hello guys, today we are talking about how to make a full screen call on iOS. This may be your first time using iPhone and you don't know how to do it. Today we're gonna show you this. So if you want to make a full screen call like in older version of iOS, on which you could put a photo of a contact, you can enable this feature in the settings. To do this, go to Settings, Phone, Incoming calls, and select full screen. That's all. If you were wondering how to make a full screen call on iOS, this is the easiest way. Now, if you know no way, please leave a comment. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.